Okay folks, I got my TORO Timecutter here, and I got this tubeless tire repair kit, a deluxe one. Deluxe tire plug kit made by Slime, to be exact. No endorsements here. I could use a sponsor. So on my TORO Timecutter here, I got a nail or a piece of metal. I got a piece of metal in the tire here. It's right there. I'm going to go ahead and pull that and try and see which direction it's going. Oh, it's going like that, obviously. Came out at an angle, like that. Looks like a little finish nail or a piece of wire or something. So it was going that direction. I'm going to try to straighten it out with this reamer. I'm shooting from a hip on this, guys and gals. So here we go. I just hope it don't make it worse. So I'm going to ream the hole out. I'm going to take one of these longer thread the needle here with this tire plug. Put it about halfway. I'm going to take the rubber cement that comes with it. It's got a little puncture thing on the end. Take the cap, flip it over, puncture the cement like that. Then I'm going to give this a little dressing. Okay, put the cap back on that so it don't spoil. Make sure it's good and tight. Get rid of this. Now I'm going in with this. Okay, and I'm going to put it in a good long ways there. I'm going to make a turn with it. And I'm going to slowly come back out with it. All right. I'm going to cut the excess off here. And then for the most part, I'm going to keep an eye on it, folks. This is made for steel belted tubeless tires. I don't think this is steel belted, so I hope it doesn't separate the belts inside of this tire, but we'll give it a try. Okay, so now I'm gonna it says 32 pounds. That's pretty close. Okay folks, I'll definitely let you know if that worked. Peace out, Northwind Garage.